Morning shot. Yeah. Just when I woke up. What can I say? So I'm in Tendaba on the river Gambia. Morning sunrise. Wow, tide is out. Morning sunrise. See, the fishermen are selling their fishes. So she just bought some fish. Yeah, she just bought some fish. So I'm not saying much because I would like for you to listen to the surrounding. Yes, you can pause the screen, you can look around and see. Let me go over here. Yeah. So I guess they're going out soon. And the thing is, like these fishermen here, they went fishing. You would not believe how far they had to go fishing. River Gambia. I'll say from here to the other side, maybe a kilometer or two, maybe wider, because I can't get a true perspective from here. Yeah, they went somewhere over there, like in the middle of the river. And they pull their net from here, go down to there. And then they load the fish in, then they come back over here to my right and pull the net again there. And the amount of fishes that they catch, my gosh, this river is packed with fish. Packed with fish. So last night, yeah, we had some fish there. It was good. It was very good. I've got to take that bench back. This guy charged us 300 Delassie, which is about £5 something, to sleep here. He's a flipping rip-off. You my brother, brother my, yeah. Saying it's community blood and all that rubbish. He just said that we're from a different part, so that's why he charged us. But yeah, that should not spoil me. Yeah, this is nice here, early in the morning. Yeah. Early morning shot. I love it. Morning skate in Tendaba. Tendaba, Gambia. So up ahead is Tendaba River. Bloody hell. River Gambia. Hey. What is he doing over there? Yeah, so up ahead is River Gambia. Huh? You want what? You want to play this? Okay, go. Give me your bike. I want to play your bike. So we trade. Let's go this way. Let's go. Let's go that way. Yeah. So he wants to play mine. So I'll give him mine. Let's go. Can you do it? Yeah, try again. Try. Good morning. How are you? Well, he's trying. Yeah, his bicycle is fine. Hello, good morning. You want to ride?
No.
Why not? Try. Morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
How's the morning?
The body good. You almost made it. You're getting there. It's okay? You can do it? Okay. Hello. How are you? Yeah, he's doing a good job. Look at my back tire. That is not a back tire. Going back with him. How is he supporting me? I don't know. But his style of skate is different. I would eat you. You keep on making noise. No, not in the dirt. Yeah, don't ride it in the dirt, okay? Ride it on the... Not in the dirt, not in the dirt, yeah. Yeah, here. Tired? Oh, no? Okay. Let's go. Tired? Thankfully. Hey.
You jeep for me? Hello?
Yeah?
You jeep for me?
No, I can't. That's plenty of money. I can get one and bring for you. Your tire?
Yeah.
Is your tire okay?
Yeah. You don't have anything to give us to me?
No, not today. When I come back, sure. But I don't have anything to give today. But when I come back, I'll give. Okay? What is that? Osama?
Huh?
What's your name?
Molami.
Molami.
Mara.
Mola?
Mara.
Mara?
Mara, yeah.
Ah. Yeah. I don't think your tire is too good. I'm too fat. Yeah. You like?
Yeah, I like it. I like it too.
Okay, I'm gonna get one for you, okay? I'll try to get one for you. But it's easy to ride. You know, you're doing good. Huh?
Let's try.
You wanna try again? Okay. Good morning. How are you? Morning. That's a morning walk. Good morning. Assalamualaikum. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. See?